put your fish tape in there and tie your wires on, pull it in, but you got to pull in another circuit. You tie a jet line in so that you have another pull string to pull the other wires in.
Okay. And you tied a half, what is it called?
It's called a half-hitch.
Half-hitch.
It's like the only knot I really know how to do, except for like, I know it's like a square knot.
Yeah.
But this, normally I'd wrap tape around it because it gives it resistance, but I just want to see if this is going to work. And if it doesn't work, then we can pull it back and figure some stuff out. Hitch. So what I do is I make a knot. And then you take it and you fold it, so you twist it like this. Okay, and then you slide it down. And I usually do like 3 or 4. So then you do it again, twist it this way. Okay, so then we'll do, actually, I think that'll be fine.
And tape it?
Yeah, and then you tape it, and we'll do it this way. And I'm not gonna make it so right next to each other. So basically what I want it to do is come out so it's
to the end.
Right at the tip, right?
Okay.
Because it'll make it easier to pull instead of getting caught on everything. So actually I'm gonna do one of these and pull that off. All right.
Now we're gonna pull it through.
Yep.
Gotta bundle these wires to put it into the insulation. You have to have a fish pull. Run the fish pull through the wire, connect them to this, and pull it through.
AC. Okay, so I put a little wrap here at the bottom to kind of hold everything together. And then see how I staggered them? Oops, I should have not done it that way. There.
What do you mean, different lengths?
Stagger them so you don't have one big blunt chunk trying to go through the conduit.
Okay.
Because it will prevent you from pulling. So then I take this and I pull
Pro tip.
the electrical tape as I'm going, so it stays super tight.
Okay.
Okay, because it really sucks when you're pulling wire and the wire falls out, especially on the super long distance. So I'll do this. Try to make it as clean as possible without any more wraps right here to kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then just keep going down. It's my second favorite thing to do in electrical is the pull wire. Like all day long, you have to do those big jobs. A lot of tape on here so it doesn't come undone, because it sucks when it comes undone. Sometimes I'll tape it all the way over here, but this one I'm not going to. And then I've been trying to get better at this. You put a little, do that so you have a pull tab. This, I might want to put more tape on it, but I think we're going to be okay to get it through.
Okay.
So why don't you go on that end and start pulling,
Okay.
so you can get those electrical muscles.
Let's get it. Pull it out, looks like that.